Hello everyone, welcome back to Tong Hacks channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to use Airdrop on iPhone or iOS. So Airdrop is a feature on iPhone to receive or send some documents from one iPhone to another iPhone. So here is the tutorials how to find the Airdrop on your phone. Firstly, you need to go into the settings, and then open the settings, and then now just scroll and found the general section. After that, just go into the general, and then on the third rows you can see that there is an airdrop right down there. So click, and there is some free options, which is receiving of contacts only everyone for 10 minutes. So receiving off, it means that your airdrop is in off mode. But then if you want to like receiving or send documents for another device on your contacts, just click the contacts only. But if you want to open the airdrops for every devices, you can choose everyone for 10 minutes. So your airdrop will be active for 10 minutes. Just click it, and then make sure that the checklist button move from receiving off into everyone for 10 minutes. So now the airdrop is on for 10 minutes for every devices around you. So that's all for today's information. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into this channel.